Zulu Adigwe was a Nigerian actor and singer, best known for paternal and spiritual roles in Nollywood movies. He first achieved fame as Mr. B in the sitcom Bassey and Company, and most recently featured in the 2019 blockbuster, Living in Bondage, Breaking Free. Early life. Adigwe was born in Enugu where he spent most of his childhood but moved to Austria where he attended primary and secondary school. Prior to acting, he studied French and German, worked as a teacher, and briefly studied medicine, before returning to Nigeria after his father's death. Before we continue, I would like you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. He enrolled with the University of Ibadan where he studied theater arts, graduating with first-class honors. Adigwe's interest in acting started when he was 7. His earliest appearance on Nigerian television was in Bassey and Company where he played the lead character Mr. B, replacing former actor Albert Ebe who left the series after a dispute with the show's creator Ken Saro-Wiwa. Adigwe's introduction to the cast saw Mr. B, reinvented as a guitar-strumming layabout, composing and singing Get Rich Quick ditties. He also performed Bassey and Company's new theme song, and an album coinciding with the series, Mr. B Makes His Millions, was released under Polygram Nigeria in 1990. In 1991, Adigwe was among the original cast of Checkmate, playing Lekeros University lecturer Monday Edem in the pilot episode, but the role was recast after production moved from Enugu to Lagos. His first movie was Blood of the Orphan, which earned him acclamation and recognition. In 2004, he also starred in Living Abroad, directed by Elvis Chooks and also starring Ernest Asuzo, Emeka Eniocha, and Ann Ujemanze. In 2019, Adigwe featured as Pascal Wori in Living in Bondage, Breaking Free. Zulu Adigwe, born on June 27, 1955, was a prominent Nigerian actor and musician. He was well known for his contributions to the Nigerian entertainment industry, particularly in the Nollywood film sector. Adigwe had not only entertained audiences with his acting skills, but also captivated them with his rich and powerful vocals. With numerous successful performances under his belt, he began his acting career in the mid-1980s and quickly rose to prominence with his exceptional talent and charismatic presence. Known for his versatility, Adigwe effortlessly portrayed both comedic and dramatic roles, earning him critical acclaim and adoration from fans. His ability to convey deep emotions and capture the essence of his characters make him a truly exceptional actor. In addition to his success in acting, Zulu Adigwe also ventured into music. His rich baritone voice and soulful renditions made him a revered musician within Nigeria. Adigwe's music career saw him release several albums, with songs that often resonated with social and cultural themes. His musical talent further solidified his status as a multifaceted entertainer, contributing to his widespread popularity. Throughout his illustrious career, Zulu Adigwe has received numerous accolades and recognition for his outstanding contributions to the Nigerian entertainment industry. He was celebrated as a pioneer in Nollywood, having set the foundation for future actors and musicians. Adigwe's talent, dedication, and passion for his craft propelled him to become one of Nigeria's most respected celebrities, and his legacy continues to inspire aspiring artists nationwide. However, the news of his sudden demise came on Tuesday, April 23, 2024. Adigwe died on Tuesday, the 23rd of April 2024, after a brief illness.